AI is redefining our human experience. With its uncanny ability to learn and make hidden connections, AI promises to transform how we work, live, and interact with the world. While there is a huge opportunity, AI also holds the potential for business disruption, workforce displacement, and unintended consequences. Introducing Future-Centered Generative AI Workshop. In this immersive workshop, we will enable a shared understanding of the current capabilities of generative AI and reveal the profound innovation opportunity areas that will impact your business and society. Attendees will then use the power of science fiction to help forecast and prepare for possible futures. Considering how AI might disrupt your business, impact products and services, and shift brand perceptions. The future is here and AI is pulling us forward ever faster. Join Future Center Ventures, a leading foresight and innovation agency, and for this timely and impactful workshop and explore the power of AI to transform your company, your customers, and the world as we know it.